What are all those?
Toast!
These are the
Toast!
pieces of
Toast!
Rah! What are you doing, Mr. Volcano?
Well, I'll have you for breakfast. Try some. Try some. Try some. Try some. Try some.
And then I'll have you for breakfast. And then I'll have you for breakfast. And then I'll have you for breakfast. And then I'll have you for breakfast.
A breakfast. A breakfast. A breakfast. A breakfast. A breakfast. Yes. Yes. Canicity. Yes. 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 I'm the daddy now! Busy day, Alan?
Yes, I'm planning to snuff out all the saber-toothed tigers, and the plotting involved is astronomical. I'm up to my ears in graphs, charts, and flow diagrams, and I've only got a brain the size of a pea.
How do you do it, Alan? Do you perhaps drink new hydrating Volvic Revive? It's got ginseng and guarana and will help keep you alert.
Yes, I do. Now, I'm off to eat someone's parents.
Well done, the Revive, very much.
Snurf, no must use for that one. Here's your seats.
Hallo, ich will mal na rood, man is nicht aus nicht mehr. Wir wollen es nicht mehr. The last news you use what?
Yeah, but the doesn't the outback, you know, smell goes well, moustache, star, you see, you must stand up. You understand his more, niggas, husband, that's the house, you give us a little, I fancy, you know, say.
What are all those?
Toast!
These are the
Toast!
pieces of
Toast!
dough.